Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Ganoderma coffee. Ganoderma coffee is a unique beverage that combines your favorite coffee with the powerful Ganoderma lucidum mushroom, also known as risea. This special mushroom has been revered for thousands of years in traditional Asian medicine for its wellness properties. It adds a subtle, earthy taste to your daily brew, creating a distinct and enjoyable experience. Beyond its unique taste, Ganoderma coffee offers several potential health advantages. It is known to support your immune system and act as an adaptogen, helping your body cope with daily stress. Many people find it enhances their energy and mental clarity, while also promoting more restful sleep. Additionally, Ganoderma contains powerful antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory effects, contributing to overall well-being. Making your own Ganoderma coffee is quite simple. You'll need your preferred high-quality coffee beans, either ground or whole, and pure Ganoderma lucidum extract powder. For a standard 8-ounce cup, start with about 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of the mushroom powder. Heat your fresh water to just below boiling, ideally between 90 and 96 degrees Celsius, to ensure optimal extraction and flavor. You can brew Ganoderma coffee using your favorite method, whether it's a drip machine, a French press, or a pour-over. If using ground blends, let it steep for 3 to 5 minutes, then strain. Feel free to customize your cup with natural sweeteners like honey, milk alternatives such as almond or oat milk, or a pinch of cinnamon for extra warmth. Store your Ganoderma coffee in an airtight container away from light and moisture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.